Hello students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SHG teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 8, Prairies, Temperate Grasslands. So, prairies. In this chapter we are going to study about prairies, which are called temperate grasslands. Students, what do you understand by grasslands? Grasslands क्या होते हैं? They are wide open spaces with tall and swaying trees. They are found in most parts of the world. They are mostly found in the regions where there is a dry climate, but not as dry as desert. They support a variety of wildlife and also they support our plants. इनको हम greenery of the world भी कहते हैं क्योंकि ये lots of grain produce करते हैं. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Look at the map showing the location of prairies in North America. Identify the major crops grown there and write the names in the blank space below. In the map, the location of prairies in North America are shown. You have to identify the major crops grown there and write the names in the given space. The major crops grown in North America are wheat, maize, rest you can write. Now, moving to the first heading of the chapter, which is the green carpets of the world. Means we are going to study about grasslands. Grasslands are wide open spaces covered with tall swaying grasses that stretch as far as the eye can see. These are grasslands. They are found in many parts of the world where the climate is too dry for forests to grow, but not dry enough to become a desert. Grasslands are unique ecosystem that support a variety of plants and animals. तो grasslands क्या है? Wide open spaces जो कि covered हैं tall swaying trees से. ये world के बहुत से parts में पाए जाते हैं. They are found in mostly those parts which are dry, but not as dry as desert. Grasslands unique ecosystem है जो कि variety of plants और animals को भी support करते हैं. Now the next topic is different names for grasslands. Grasslands are known by different names in different parts of world. Some of the famous names among these are as follows. So grasslands को world के अलग-अलग parts में अलग-अलग names से जाना जाता है. Some of the well-known names are first is prairies, which is located in North America, यानी US और Canada में. Climate here is temperate, moderate rainfall, यानी कि neither too hot nor too cold. Vegetation is tall and short grasses, very few trees. यहाँ पे vegetation कैसी होती है? Tall and short grasses are found and very few trees. Notable features known as greenery of world due to wheat production. ये wheat production करती है इसलिए इसे greenery of world भी कहा जाता है. Next name of grassland is pampas, which is found in Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil. Temperature here is temperate and humid, neither too hot nor too cold. Tall grasses and shrubs are found here. It is famous for cattle ranching and agriculture. Next type of grassland is steppes, found in Central Asia, Russia, Ukraine and Mongolia. Temperature here is extreme summers and winters and it experiences very low rainfall. Here short grasses and few trees are found. It is known for used for grazing animals like horses and sheep. Next grassland is savanna, found in Africa, Kenya, Tanzania and South Africa. Temperature here is hot and seasonal rainfall we can see here. Tall grasses and scattered trees are found in this region. It is a home to diverse wildlife including lions and elephants. Next grassland is downs, found in Australia, New South Wales and Queensland. It has a mild moderate rainfall. Here mixed grasses and some trees are found. Major wheat and sheep farming region are done here. Next grassland is campos, found in Brazil, Paraguay and Argentina. Climate here is warm and it experiences moderate rainfall. Trees, tall and short grasses are found here. It is similar to pampas, used for farming and also used for cattle ranching. So these are the different names of grassland found in different parts of the world. Now let's see life on the grasslands. Grasslands may not have many trees, but they are full of life. Many animals live here, including large herds that roam open plains. Some of the famous grassland animals are. तो grasslands में बहुत सारे trees नहीं है, but they are full of life. Many types of animals are found here. Some of the most famous grassland animals are, first is bison, found in the prairies of North America, जो कि North America की prairies में located है. Zebra common in savannas of Africa. Kangaroo native to the grassland of Australia. So these are the animals founded in grasslands. These animals have adapted to the life on grassland where they can find plenty of grass to eat and open spaces to move around. तो ये कुछ animals हैं जो कि adapt हो चुके हैं grassland में, where they can find plenty of grass to eat and they can get open spaces to move around. Now it's the time of fact and learn. Match the following. The first one is prairies. Where is prairies located? So you will match it with option number D. Prairies are located in North America. Likewise, you can do the remaining questions. Now moving to the next topic, which is the prairies, नॉर्थ अमेरिका ग्रासलैंड. तो प्रेरीज जिसको हम नॉर्थ अमेरिका का ग्रासलैंड भी बोलते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ये ब्रेड बास्केट है वर्ल्ड की, क्योंकि ये लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रेन प्रोड्यूस करती है. The prairies of North America are some of the most famous grasslands in the world. They are often known as breadbasket of the world because they produce huge amount of wheat and other crops. Farmers use large machines like tractors and combine to plant and harvest the fields. तो prairies of North America जो है वो second most famous grassland है. इनको हम ब्रेड बास्केट ऑफ वर्ल्ड भी कहते हैं क्योंकि लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ व्हीट और अदर क्रॉप्स प्रोड्यूस करती हैं. फार्मर्स लार्ज मशीन्स जैसे कि ट्रैक्टर्स यूज करती हैं फील्ड्स को क्रॉप करने के लिए, किसी भी क्रॉप को हार्वेस्ट करने के लिए. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच इज लाइफ ऑन अ प्रेरी फार्म. प्रेरी फार्म्स पे लाइफ कैसी होती है? लेट्स रीड. Farmers who live on a prairies have a unique lifestyle. They live in large houses called homesteads and work hard to grow crops and raise animals. Modern farming machines make their work, but it is still a challenging job. तो farmers जो prairies में रहते हैं उनकी एक unique lifestyle होती है. वो large houses जिसे हम homestead कहते हैं उनमें रहते हैं and they work hard to grow crops and raise their animals. They use modern machines for growing, for making their work easier. लेकिन फिर भी ये एक बहुत challenging job है. Now challenges of living on the grassland. So now let's see जो लोग grasslands पे रहते हैं what challenges they face. Life on the grasslands is not easy. Farmers and animals face many challenges such as. तो grasslands की life जो है वो easy नहीं है. They face many challenges. Farmers and animals face many challenges such as droughts. Long periods without rain make it hard to grow crops or find water. तो droughts experience करते हैं ये बहुत टाइम पीरियड तक अगर रेन नहीं होती सो इट मेक इट हार्ड फॉर फार्मर्स टू फाइंड वाटर एंड ग्रो क्रॉप. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स दिस कैन ब्लो अवे सॉइल एंड डैमेज क्रॉप. तो दे ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंस स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स कैन ब्लो अवे विद देम सॉइल एंड दे कैन ऑल्सो डैमेज क्रॉप. वाइल्ड फायर्स, ड्राई ग्रासेस कैन कैच फायर इजिली spread across the land. They also experience wildfires. Wildfires क्या होती हैं? ड्राई ग्रासेस जो हैं वो इजीली फायर कैच कर सकती हैं जो कि पूरी क्रॉप को बर्बाद कर सकती है. Despite these challenges, people and animals have learned to adapt and thrive in grassland environments. इन challenges के बाद भी लोगों ने और एनिमल ने अपने आप को इस एनवायरमेंट में अडेप्ट कर लिया है. Now why are grasslands important? Why are grassland important? Firstly, they are important because they are important for food production. They grow many types of wheat, grain and other crops. Also there are a variety of animals and unique animals are also found here. Grasslands are vital for many reasons. First is food production. They provide land for growing crops like wheat, corn and barley. So they are important for food production. Crops like wheat, corn and barley are grown here. Animal habitats. Many animals depend on grassland for food and शेल्टर. तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जो हैं वो ग्रासलैंड पे डिपेंड करते हैं अपने फूड और शेल्टर के लिए. ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप. ग्रासलैंड ऑफर्स स्टनिंग व्यूज एंड पॉपुलर फॉर टूरिज्म. इट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इट्स ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप. दे हैव स्टनिंग व्यूज एंड is popular for tourism. We must protect these green carpets of world to ensure they continue to support life and provide resources for future generation. तो हमें इन green carpets of world को protect करना चाहिए ताकि ये future generations के लिए continue रहे. They support life for animals and farmers and they provide resources for future generation. I hope you have understood the topic. Now let's begin with vocabulary. First is grassland. ग्रासलैंड्स आर वास्ट ओपन एरियाज जो कि ग्रासेस से कवर्ड होते हैं. प्रेरीज, ग्रासलैंड्स फाउंड इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका. सवानास, ग्रासलैंड्स इन अफ्रीका विद स्कैटर्ड ट्रीज. ब्रेड बास्केट, एक ऐसा एरिया लाइक द प्रेरीज जो कि लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फूड प्रोड्यूस करती है. ड्रॉट्स यानी कि अ लॉन्ग पीरियड विदाउट रेन. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. Grasslands are unique ecosystem that support a variety of plants and animals. Grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. Grasslands may not have trees, but they are full of life. Many type of animals are found here like bison. The prairies of North America are some of the most famous grasslands in the world. Farmers use large machines like tractors and combine to plant and harvest their fields. Farmers who live on prairies have a unique lifestyle. They live in large homes called homesteads. They also face many challenges. Now exercise time. Think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, which is tick the correct option. What are grasslands in North America called? Pampas, prairies or savannas? They are called prairies. Which country is not a part of Campos grassland? Brazil, Argentina or South Africa? What will be the correct option? So what will be the correct option? The correct option will be South Africa. Option number C. Where can you find zebras? Savannas in Africa, steppes in Asia or pampas in South America? Option number C. What do farmers use to harvest crop in prairies? Combines, shovels or lorries? They use combines. What is one of the challenges faced on grasslands? Snowstorms, wildfires or tsunami? Option number B. Wildfires. Now fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Grassland with scattered trees are found in Africa. Large herds of bison graze in North America prairies. The prairies are also called bread basket of the world. Dry grasslands are also known as dash in Asia. Steppes. Farmers lives in a houses called homesteads. Moving to the next exercise, which is tick for the true and cross for the false statement. Grasslands are found on every continent except Antarctica. Yes, this is true. Steppes are grasslands with warm weather. No, this is incorrect. Prairie farmers use combine to harvest wheat. Yes, this is also true. Zebras are found in pampas. No, this is false. Savannas are grasslands in Africa. Yes, this is true. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class with some new chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye, students.